Hallo, liebe Leute. Let's talk about your exercise. Also, genial A2 Jugendhotel. Ja, das Jugendhotel. So, we've had the word Jugend before. Jugend is youth. Yeah. So, these are hotels or sometimes hostels. Yeah, that are specifically for young people. For Germans, young people means 14 to 25-ish. So high school, college age people. Um, and they cater specifically to the needs of young people. Sometimes young people who are traveling alone, sometimes young people who are traveling with their parents, and sometimes young people who are in school groups. So it makes sense that on this class trip, they're going to look for a Jugendherberge or a Jugendhotel. So let's look up here at the top in your text, okay? And they tell you a little bit about how they came to this decision where they're going to go. Wir hatten die Wahl, we had the choice. Wir hatten die Wahl, 3 Städte. In allen spricht man Deutsch. Nach Wien in Österreich, nach München im Süden von Deutschland oder nach Berlin, also in die Hauptstadt von Deutschland. So they could go to Vienna in Austria, Munich in the south of Germany, or Berlin, the capital of Germany. Ja. 3 Gruppen haben diskutiert und dann war das Ergebnis klar. Wir wollen nach Berlin. Yeah, they're going to go to Berlin, which is where we go. Yeah, our partner school is there. So, I can't say that I've ever stayed in this hostel. It's a real hostel, though. It's very popular. Lots of groups stay there. But we don't generally stay in a hostel in Berlin because we stay with families. This hostel, though, is called Berlin Three Little Pigs. Yeah. So, in our exercise here, and you can go to that website if you want and, actually look them up. This is a simplified version, though, that tells us some of the things that they have. And we're going to go down here to the questions, yeah, and see what you guys came up with. So make sure you try them first before you get the answers from me. All right, Nummer 1. Kann man im Jugendhotel frühstücken? Frühstücken, to breakfast. Yeah, it is a verb. So can one breakfast in the Jugendhotel? Okay, and we go up here and we look, and it says right here, Kontinentales All-You-Can-Eat Frühstücksbuffet. 5 Euro. Ja, so ja, man kann frühstücken. Kostet das etwas? Ja, das kostet 5 Euro. Ja. Also normally breakfast is included at youth places, but here, extra 5 Euro, no big deal. Okay, Nummer 2. Gibt es im Hotel Internet und ist das teuer? So let's look up here. There it is. Kostenloses WLAN. WLAN? Yeah. Also that's your word for Wi-Fi. Okay. Also WLAN. W-L-A-N. It's pronounced V, like the W. WLAN. Okay. So WLAN, yeah. They have kostenloses WLAN. Kostenlos, costless, free. Free Wi-Fi. Okay. Und Computer mit Internetzugang 1 Euro pro 30 Minuten. So you also can get a computer that's hooked to the internet for 1 euro for 30 minutes. So if you don't have your own phone or you don't have your own laptop, you can use their computers. Usually they're coin operated. It's kind of cool. There's a little thing on the side. You put your euro coin in and then the computer pops up and you've got internet for 30 minutes. Okay, Nummer 3. Kann man ein Fahrrad leihen und wie viel kostet das? Fahrrad leihen, ja, rent bikes. There it is. Fahrradverleih. 12 Euro für 24 Stunden, ja. 12 euros, 24 hours. Nummer 4. Kann man hier Partys feiern? Can you celebrate a party? Ja. Sie haben ein eigener Partyraum. Ja, you can get the party room. 5. Kann man auch selbst was kochen? Ja, also sie haben ein großes Gemeinschaftsküche. This is a wonderful thing. Gemeinschaftsküche, community kitchen. So that means anybody can use the kitchen. They have full pots and pans and dishes and everything you need, which is a great cheap way to travel. That means you can just go to the grocery store and buy food just like you would at home and cook in the kitchen. It's great. This is what makes travel in European countries so inexpensive if you do it this way. Yeah, so man kann da selbst kochen. Yeah, you just cook in the community kitchen and you clean up. All right, 6. Kann ich hier meine Jeans waschen? Kann ich meine Jeans waschen? Ja, es gibt ein Waschsalon. Waschsalon, a laundromat, a laundry room. Nummer 7. Spricht man hier nur Deutsch oder auch Englisch? Well, let's take a look. So, there it is. Mehrsprachiges und freundliches Personal. Mehrsprachig, also multilingual. Mehr is more, sprachig, Sprachia language. Also mehrsprachig is like multilingual. So they have a multilingual staff, Personal. Yeah. And if their staff is multilingual, one of those languages is definitely English because that's the common language for most people traveling the world these days. Lucky for you. Yeah. All right, guys, I think that's about it. Check out some of these places. Yeah, you can Google youth hostels, youth hotels very easily, including Berlin Three Little Pigs, and check out their websites. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. You might want to go there. You might want to stay in one of these places. Yeah. Tschüss.